Paul Chappell. Paul Chappell. Paul Chappell. Mother. Welcome to Coffee Club. I am your host, Paul Chappell, and today we are going to create a YouTube channel from scratch. And we're going to do that on Windows. As crazy as that sounds, yes, I am going to use Windows. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm in Internet Explorer here. First thing I'm going to do is type in google.com, and I'm going to create an account. So sign in, you go down here, create account for myself. I don't know about managing a business, obviously. I'm gonna put in my name, Paul Chappell, and it's probably not gonna be available. So I was right, it's gonna suggest Paul Chappell 07, but I'm gonna put Paul Chappell Magic. That should work. It looks like it's available, so I'm going to go ahead and choose a password. Let's see. Okay. Do that, and it's asking me for a phone number. So yeah, I guess I'll put in my phone number. I'll cover this up later because I don't want people calling me as much as I love you guys. Okay, so I got to wait for this verification code. Okay. Verify. I'm not going to do the recovery email. I will put in a fake birthday. Let's see, what's a good fake birthday? August. Nobody's born in August. Let's see, yeah, 1980. That sounds about right. Male. Next. I'm going to skip this part. Okay. I agree. I'm not going to read all of that. So you have a Gmail account, but what we want to do is go to YouTube. And here we're going to create our channel. We're going to go up here to create a channel. And get started. And I'm going to use a custom name because I'm already using Paul Chappell on another channel. Okay, just before we go any further here, let me just talk a little bit about choosing a name for your YouTube channel. You want to choose something very unique, but at the same time, you don't want it to be so unique that nobody can find it in search. When I did my first channel, of course, I used my name and I thought it'd be easy to search, but little did I know just how horrible my last name is for search terms. So if I had it all over again, I mean, it obviously worked out because my channel's doing well, but if I had to do it over again, I probably wouldn't use my name because Chappell and Chappell, for some reason, cannot be distinguished by most voice recognition software. So that's just my advice. Try to choose something, a name that no one's using, but like I said, don't make it too weird because then nobody will be able to find it. Okay, let me see. I'm going to do Paul's Doghouse. Okay. So it's not letting me create, so I'm assuming that name is already taken. So I guess you can't add a name with quotation marks. So let me try something else. Okay, so finally, all right, I guess that's gonna. Paul's big house is not exactly what I want, but for demonstration purposes, we're gonna use it because I want to go ahead and get this over with. Don't want this lesson to be too long. And I'm not going to upload a picture at this time. I'm going to show you where to do that later. Let's just go down to channel description. What am I going to say? All right. Okay, we're going to save and continue. And here we are, folks. First things first, we have to upload some images to this decrepit looking site. You really don't get started till you upload a video, but we'll get to that. So I'm going to go to customize channel. Now this is for, as you see here, this is a trailer and this is for returning subscribers, but we don't have any videos. So I'm going to go to branding and upload some images I already have saved to the desktop. Some doggy images. Let's see, I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see, it's a little bit too big. I want to just center it around the doghouse itself. That looks pretty good. Okay, so that's my profile picture. Now I'm going to upload a banner. Now I'm going to do a separate lesson on banners one day, but there's a way to do it in Photoshop or Pixelmator or whatever you use. And then this is a watermark. I'm going to use this picture of the little doggy, and I want to make this one smaller too. This is what's going to show up when your videos start. It probably should be the same as my profile picture, but whatever. I'm just playing around at this point. Okay, so once all that's done, we're going to go up here to publish. And we're going to go to channel, and we're going to have... We're pretty much done at this point, except we just need to upload a video. But it's looking pretty good. So I have a video that I made of my huskies in my den area. So I'm going to use this. It's very short, shouldn't take too long to upload. I'm going to rename it Big House. Okay, so I don't have a thumbnail. I'm going to skip that. The YouTube will automatically make a thumbnail for you. Let me see. I'm going to add some tags that are pretty obvious. What you want to do with tags, you want to think up stuff people might actually search for. So I'm going to do all the usual stuff: doghouse, building a doghouse. Let's see what else. What's in the video? 2 huskies. Did I spell Huskies right? Yeah. Okay. Some Husky doghouse. Let me think. Let me think. Okay, video language, English United States. And it's already set for pets and animals, but well, you keep it on pets and animals. And I always put my videos private because there's one more step you want to take before you publish your video. But you can schedule it, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna make it private, save it, and it's already finished uploading. It's actually processing the video, so it's nearly done. We'll just wait a couple seconds. And there it is, my first video on Paul's Big Houses. Okay, so this is the end screen. Best for viewer is pretty much useless if you don't have any other videos on your channel. You can choose videos from other sites if you want. Like I have, you know, of course, my Paul Chappell site. I'm going to look up Magic Hour with Paul Chappell and see what I can find. So I'm going to use one of my Disney videos just for demonstration purposes. So yes, at the end, they could click on a video from one of my other channels and they'll get something at least. Okay, now I'm going to make this public. You can schedule it and it just sets it for the next day, but I'm not doing that, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it public. And this is it, guys. This is, you are legit when you have a video published to your channel. You can go up here, click on your channel and see it in all its glory. Now I'm going to show you one more thing that I kind of like. In the customized channel, again, it's in this about section. You can put little links in your channel art, and I already got it copied. It's just my Twitter page, and I'm gonna go ahead and publish that. And as you can see down here, it shows the first 5 links. So you can put up the 5 links in your channel art. That's really important if you want people to check you out on social media. So as you can see over here, I have a Twitter link. We're going to click on that, and I have no Twitter followers. Haven't been on it for long. So subscribe to my Twitter feed if you're down with Twitter. It's got all my stuff. But yeah, that's about it. That's how you create a YouTube channel from scratch. So go ahead and create a YouTube channel, guys. It's that simple. So make sure you subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know if you got any questions about it. There's, of course, a lot more involved with creating a YouTube channel, and I will go over that in some future lessons. But for now, that's how you create a very simple channel. But yeah, give me a like, subscribe, share, and I will see you when I see you. Thanks for watching.